Trend of the day, market overview is back in your life today, guys. Tuesday morning. That's what the day is today, right? And I want to talk about the forex market, mostly our forex positioning in the market. We started off with a few new trades, new positions, relatively new. We got the pound Aussie, right? As it was turning around a few days ago, we got in the first time with 5K. A little bit later, we threw in the second trade, which was 5K. Yesterday, as it was hammering upwards, we threw in the third trade, another 5K. Today, right off the bat, price action was on the back foot big time. But we felt like it was kind of expected. Typical technical correction for a very strong couple of days leading up to that, to yesterday, right? To today, sorry. But we also kind of, we had trust in both 73.57 and 73.89, which price action is battling against right now as we speak. Hopefully it's not going to be able to break those two levels, because otherwise, if it will be able to do so, it will probably jeopardize our stop loss level, which, by the way, had been adjusted from 71.50 to 72.50. And we're going to stay committed to that new stop loss level, right? But if price action will start to recede and start to pull back up off of 73.89, at this point in time, it's only doing that on the 73.57. It's not enough. We want to make sure it stays above 73.89. The minute it pulls back up from above that level, we're going to feel confident enough to pursue, well, not just to pursue this bullish campaign, but also even increase the position size. Throw one more trade into the mix, right? Because it's going to be coming off of a local technical correction. But for us to be confident about that, we need price action to keep receding upwards, keep pulling back up and above 73.89. All right, so that's pretty much the game plan. It's kind of similar with the Aussie Swiss, right? We got in here. We have 20K. We start off with 10K right off the bat when pricing began to break 64.50, and then we throw in another 5, and yesterday in the height of that drop, another 5. Now it's coming up, a lot of positive momentum, but again, the minute it begins to pull back and basis of below 63.97, only then we're going to get back to building up this position. At the end of the day, we're aiming at 63.47 with the first two trades and 62.68 for the third and last trade. So everything from this point downwards, any other trades, if we're going to be having more trades below that level, all are going to be addressed to 62.68, because that's really our final destination, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's where we are right now with those two, around break-even point, by the way, as far as profit and loss goes. Then we have the Swiss Japanese yen, which we activated yesterday and already managed to throw in a second trade, right? Because it was looking pretty good until a few hours ago when it began to drop a little bit. But as you can see, still very early stages of the situation here. So yeah, that's pretty much where we are with this one. Last but not least, talked about it in the main video today, silver. We're going back on the silver. This time we're going to try to be more aggressive, because this is prime location. Where it's at, where it's trading, where that negative momentum broke on that 22.18, and now the turnaround, that's solid, right? That's prime location. So we're going to try to get more aggressive, much more aggressive than we were a few days ago, when we were kind of playing out with that potential breakout. Anyway, all details about this particular situation, I will refer you to the main video today in the Forex market section. That's about that for the day. For active positions, you'll only find 3, because the silver is not exactly a currency, right? It's more of a commodity. But it's still in. you won't find it in the list, in the active list of positions, but it's here. You know exactly where the stop loss level. Oh, and if I didn't mention that, that's 2150 stop loss level, target 2375. We got in with the first trade, and that's pretty much all you need to know. Just keep following up, and you'll know all about the situation here on the silver. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that session today. Wishing you a nice trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow. So till then, be well.